Hello students, this question is taken from test series 5 EE from the subject power electronics from the topic applications of power electronics, and it is of 2 marks question. In the given question, it is having a single phase UPS system which is nothing but ultra power supply, that is battery bank in the figure shown of 36 volts. It is having the 36 volt battery. It is used to get an output voltage of 240 volts. Since the output voltage is 240 volts fundamental by using a step up transformer, which is this is the step up transformer where the input voltage is greater than the output voltage is greater than the input voltage, that is step up transformer. We have to calculate the value of number of secondary turns if primary turns are 10. If the primary turns are 10, we have to calculate the value of how many numbers of secondary turns if the output voltage is the 240 volt, if the input voltage is 36 volt. By using a single phase full bridge inverter, we can convert the DC supply to the AC supply. So we have to find the value of how many terms of number of secondary turns are available. So given VDC 36 volts, V0 240 volts, N2 we have to find, N1 is given 10 turns and pi value we have to assume 3. The formula to calculate the output voltage is V0 is equal to N2 by N1 into VAC, that is fundamental. V0 VAC, that is fundamental. In order to find the value of N2, this is the relation. In order to calculate the N2, first we will calculate the value of VAC, that is fundamental. The formula to calculate the VAC, that is fundamental, is 4 Vs by root 2 pi. Vs by root 2 pi. So we know the value of supply voltage, that is given DC 36 volts, and pi value we have to assume 3. Substitute all the values in this formula, and in order to calculate the value of secondary turns, that is N2. So 4 into 36 by root 2 into 3, that is into N2 by 10, that is equal to 240. After solving this value, we will get the value of secondary turns, that is N2 is equal to the 50 root 2 turns, which is option 50 root 10, which is option C. In this session, we have studied about how to calculate the secondary turns if primary turns are given, and we have to assume the value of pi value as 3. Thank you.